Let us discuss about the alternating current. Now we will discuss firstly about the direct current and then the alternating current. Direct current is a form of current in which the magnitude remains constant as well as the direction remains constant. In alternating currents or voltages, the magnitude changes continuously and the direction changes periodically. If we plot a graph of DC and AC, we have that if this is the current or voltage, this is the time, we have got a constant value of DC that is not changing its direction. For AC, we have got alternating, we name it as alternating current or voltage. Here we have that magnitude of that current or voltage changes continuously and the direction changes periodically. This is called as the alternating current or alternating voltage. Now we have got the instantaneous value. The instantaneous value is given by this. Let at this time the instantaneous value of current is this. Now we have got maximum value and the minimum value. These are actually two maximum values in opposite directions. So we have this value is the maximum value. This maximum value of I0 or V0 is called as the peak value. Here we have also the peak value in negative cycle. So this is the negative, this is called as the minimum value. Actually it is the maximum value in the opposite direction. From here to here we have got a time period of t by 2, and from here to here we have got a time period of t by 2. Taking angle wise we have got an angle of pi, and taking time wise from this to this we have got an angle of 2 pi from here to here. So from this point to this point we are having a cycle, and in this cycle the value of the current or voltage goes from 0 to maximum value, from maximum to 0, 0 to minimum, and minimum to 0, and it repeats cycle after cycle, and that depends upon the frequency. What is the frequency? For example, in Indian subcontinent we have the frequency of the AC as 50 Hz, so we have got 50 cycles in 1 second, and in UK or USA we have got the frequency of 60 Hz. So in USA or UK, the cycles per second are equal to 60. That means 60 times a second these cycles occur in UK or USA. In the Indian subcontinent, we have got 50 Hz frequency. That means we have got 50 cycles per second of this change. So we define the alternating current or the alternating voltages as the voltages are currents which change continuous, whose magnitude changes continuously with the time, and the direction changes periodically. The direction, as we have that in half a cycle we have got the positive values, in another half cycle we have got negative values. So we can say that the current changes direction after every half cycle or after the angle of pi, that is 180 degrees. And we have got the peak values are the maximum and the minimum values that are defined by I0 or E0, and we have got the instantaneous values at a particular time.